Hi, my name is Samyak Jain and I have secured a rank of 7 in this year's UPSC CSE examination. I would like to thank Vikas Divyakirti sir and the entire team of Drishti IAS which guided me throughout my journey, especially during the mock interview stage. As far as prelims are concerned, I would like to suggest to all the candidates to be confident during the examination, and for that they must go for more and more mock tests. Solving more and more question papers during your preparation stage would help give you confidence in your studies, as well as the key to success at the preliminary stage is taking chances and risks. Going for calculated guesses in examination does help you a lot in crossing over that crucial cutoff percentage that is required to clear the examination. At the end, I would like to wish all the candidates a very good luck from my side, and I hope they succeed in their examination. Thank you.
Okay. What is the meaning of your name, Samyak?
So my name is also coincidentally derived from the three Ratna of Jainism: Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan